Got a snake? Damn. That's a nice one. Hell yeah. Did you get a weight on it?
No, I got my scale at home.
I got my scale right here. Yep. That's definitely a dragon. Might be a double dragon. What'd you get him on?
Swim bait with under swim, flashy swim.
Nice.
I changed the color. I had another one. I had a white one on, and he ran up on. He wouldn't hit it.
Let's get him on the ground. 8.8.
I was about to say, look like 8 to me.
That's a nice one though, man.
Yeah. Yeah. So I say about
You want to get a picture?
Yeah, yeah.
I got you on camera now. I'm filming a video.
Oh, okay.
What's your name?
Tony Jones.
You want to hold it that?
Yeah.
Tony what?
Tony Jones.
Tony Jones. I'll get you on Yada Yada Fishing.
Okay.
On YouTube. Meta, take a picture. Nice to meet you. Good job, man. Good catch. How you doing? What's up, buddy? How you doing? That's a big dog. Fish on. What do we got? Oh my God, I got a trout. What? Dude. Ah, dude. Oh, buddy. I got a trout. He is bleeding. Man. Dude, look at that. Oh. Hold on, buddy. I got you. I got you. I got you. All right. Man, I'm gonna have to keep him, man. He's bleeding bad. Son of a gun. I've never caught a trout out of here. On the Meps, baby. Damn. I'm gonna have to take you out, buddy. Damn, dude. I tried. Got him in the gills. Come on. Come on, buddy. Did not expect to catch a rainbow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to harvest them. Oh, come on, buddy. Are you gonna make it? Oh. Come on, buddy. Nope. Sorry, guys. Sorry, buddy. I'm gonna have to take you out. That was cool. Sucks he didn't make it though. Got him in the gills. Never expected to get a trout out of here, but I'll take it though. They'll eat good. Got him on the Fire Tiger Meps. Number 2. Meps Aglia. Dude. Got something. There we go. There we go. Ah. Oh. Hold on, buddy. Little summer shad. It's that hickory shad. Oh, hold on, buddy. Oh, quick release. See you, buddy. All right. Heating up. Got the second one.
Here, Addie, come here.
Come on, girl.
Here you go.
Set,
Right here.
set that drag.
Big one, come here.
Hey, which way is it going so we can...
Don't let it go. Reel him. Don't let the pole go. Pull. Pull like this. There you go.
Hold on a second. Put your finger up here. Grab it. Yep. No, 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 like this. Just like that. Nope. Finger up here. There you go. No,
reeling,
keep reeling. Reel, 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 reel.
Keep reeling. He's not coming off.
He's cut.
Did you lose it?
I think.
No, keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Made it.
He's on there.
Yeah. Here, it's not heavy anymore.
It's okay. Keep reeling.
Oh my god, oh my god.
It's on there. Here.
I got my...
Oh,
Over here. I got a net. I need to grab.
here. I got it. Grab that net, Dave. Put it out here. Keep it out here and hold tension. Yep.
I got her. Here, come here. Keep turning. Here, I'll come right here. Here. Let you feel him running?
Yeah.
You want me to get it, David?
Let him get tired. Let him get tired. That's a big one. Look.
Oh yeah, you got a nice one.
Oh God.
You got a good one.
He's gonna run. Look.
Oh my god, Addie!
Hold on.
Pull
We
it
didn't get him yet.
We got him.
Catfish?
We got him. We got him.
Told you.
Oh my god!
I told you.
Open that drag or open the bail.
That's about a 7
Oh,
Hold on. We got a holder thing for you.
hold on, come over here. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Woo!
Told you you were patient.
You caught it
That's
too.
about 8 pounds.
Hold this net up.
Yeah. You know why they call him a catfish? Hold on.
I got it. There you go.
Just twist it.
That's bigger than mine.
It came out. Watch, grab it. Yeah, don't let that barb. Don't let that barb get you.
You got the grippers?
Yes, I do. Move that out of the way.
Are these the grippers?
No, there's a special. That's 10 pounds almost. Told you, Addie girl.
You take the weight off and then zero it and then reweigh it.
Arm hurts because how heavy.
Here we go.
9 pounds, 10 ounces.
We got 6 pounds, 5 ounces.
6.
Here you go, girl.
Go hold it for the picture.
Hold it for the camera. No, no, you just hold this. No, you just hold this. You don't even touch the fish.
There you go.
I want to touch it.
Good one.
Nice one.
I want to touch the belly. Belly.
Told you.
Belly.
That might be a
You want to release it?
that might be a mama, yeah.
You want to release it?
Fat mama.
Here,
Right, let's watch
hold
him
it.
swim more.
Hold this. Hold it tight. Ready? Come over here. And then take your finger. Keep holding hold that gripper. Then
Wait, what?
pull up on this. Ready? Do not let go of this with your right hand. Now take your left hand and pull up like right here. Ready? There he goes. See ya, buddy. There he goes. There he goes. Woo! Good job.
Hold on, no, we gotta wait till you see it. There you go.
Oh, look at David.
That's
Aw,
Look, dial.
that sucks, dude. Broke.
That should never do that.
Nova.
You can order a new handle.
Careful. See these barbs on the side? If they poke you, see these right here? If they poke you, it will hurt real bad. It's a stinger. And they got one right here. Right here. So you gotta take it like that. See you, buddy. See you, dude.
Hold on. Can you put it on this side? Go on Rocky Dojo. RRR.
Chris is starting.
It's on.
Everybody hit it with me, hit the C line. Everybody do it with me, hit the C line. We about to walk around talking about hit the everybody hit the 4 legs C line. My grandma see a C line.
What the?